Nehemiah chapter 7, verse 1 to 73. Now it came to pass, when the wall was built, and I had set up the doors, and the porters and the singers and the Levites were appointed, that I gave my brother Hanani, and Hananiah the ruler of the palace, charge over Jerusalem, for he was a faithful man, and feared God above many. And I said unto them, Let not the gates of Jerusalem be opened until the sun be hot, and while they stand by, let them shut the doors, and bar them, and appoint watches of the inhabitants of Jerusalem, every one in his watch, and every one to be over against his house. Now the city was large and great, but the people were few therein, and the houses were not builded. And my God put into mine heart to gather together the nobles, and the rulers, and the people, that they might be reckoned by genealogy. And I found a register of the genealogy of them which came up at the first, and found written therein, These are the children of the province, that went up out of the captivity, of those that had been carried away, whom Nebuchadnezzar the king of Babylon had carried away, and came again to Jerusalem and to Judah, every one unto his city. Who came with Zerubbabel, Jeshua, Nehemiah, Azariah, Ramiah, Naamani, Mordecai, Bilshan, Mispereth, Bigvai, Nehem, Baanah. The number, I say, of the men of the people of Israel was this. The children of Parash, 2,170 and 2. The children of Shephatiah, 370 and 2. The children of Ara, 650 and 2. The children of Pahath-Moab, of the children of Jeshua and Joab, 2,818. The children of Elam, 1,250 and 4. The children of Zattu, 840 and 5. The children of Zakkai, 703 score. The children of Binnui, 640 and 8. The children of Bebai, 620 and 8. The children of Azgad, 2,320 and 2. The children of Adonicum, 603 score and 7. The children of Bigvai, 2,003 score and 7. The children of Adin, 650 and 5. The children of Ater of Hezekiah, 90 and 8. The children of Hashum, 320 and 8. The children of Bazai, 320 and 4. The children of Hariph, 112. The children of Gibeon, 90 and 5. The men of Bethlehem and Netophath, 180 and 8. The men of Anathoth, 120 and 8. The men of Bethasmaveth, 40 and 2. The men of Kirjath-jearim, Kephirah, and Beeroth, 740 and 3. The men of Ramah and Geba, 620 and 1. The men of Michmash, 120 and 2. The men of Bethel and Ai, 120 and 3. The men of the other Nebo, 50 and 2. The children of the other Elam, 1,250 and 4. The children of Haram, 320. The children of Jericho, 340 and 5. The children of Lod, Hadid, and Ono, 720 and 1. The children of Sina, 3,930. The priests, the children of Jediah, of the house of Jeshua, 970 and 3. The children of Immer, 1,050 and 2. The children of Pashur, 1,240 and 7. The children of Haram, 1,017. The Levites, the children of Jeshua, of Kadmiel, and of the children of Hodiva, 70 and 4. The singers, the children of Asaph, 140 and 8. The porters, the children of Shallum, the children of Ater, the children of Talmon, the children of Akub, the children of Hadattah, the children of Shobai, 130 and 8. The Nethinims, the children of Ziha, the children of Hashapha, the children of Tabaoth. The children of Kuros, the children of Sia, the children of Padon. The children of Libana, the children of Hagaba, the children of Shalmai. The children of Hanan, the children of Giddel, the children of Gahar. The children of Rea, the children of Rezin, the children of Nekoda. The children of Gazam, the children of Uzzah, the children of Phaziah. The children of Besai, the children of Munim, the children of Nephashizim. The children of Bakbuk, the children of Hakupha, the children of Harhur. The children of Basleth, the children of Mahida, the children of Harsha. The children of Barkos, the children of Sisera, the children of Tama. The children of Neziah, the children of Hatapha. The children of Solomon's servants, the children of Sotai, the children of Sophereth, the children of Perida. The children of Jala, the children of Darkon, the children of Giddel. The children of Shephatiah, the children of Hattil, the children of Patrath of Zebaim, the children of Ammon. All the Nethinims, and the children of Solomon's servants, were 392. And these were they which went up also from Telmelah, Telharesha, Cherub, Adon, and Immer, but they could not shew their father's house, nor their seed, whether they were of Israel. The children of Deliah, the children of Tobiah, the children of Nekoda, 642. And of the priests, the children of Habiah, the children of Koz, the children of Barzillai, which took one of the daughters of Barzillai the Gileadite to wife, and was called after their name. These sought their register among those that were reckoned by genealogy, but it was not found, therefore were they, as polluted, put from the priesthood. And the Tirshatha said unto them, that they should not eat of the most holy things, till there stood up a priest with Urim and Thummim. The whole congregation together was 42,303 score. Beside their manservants and their maidservants, of whom there were 7,337, and they had 245 singing men and singing women. Their horses, 736, their mules, 245. Their camels, 435, 6,720 asses. And some of the chief of the fathers gave unto the work. The Tirshatha gave to the treasure 1,000 drams of gold, 50 basins, 530 priests' garments. And some of the chief of the fathers gave to the treasure of the work 20,000 drams of gold, and 2,200 pound of silver. And that which the rest of the people gave was 20,000 drams of gold, and 2,000 pound of silver, and 67 priests' garments. So the priests, and the Levites, and the porters, and the singers, and some of the people, and the Nethinims, and all Israel, dwelt in their cities, and when the 7th month came, the children of Israel were in their cities.